Stop losing leads because you are too busy to check your notifications. When most creators are manually DMing links, I'm going to show you how I beat a 247 machine that replies to every social media comment and logs them into a spreadsheet completely on autopilot. If you want speed to lead without the burnout, this is for you. To make this happen, we are using a free automation tool called n8n. If you don't have an account, pause this video and grab one. So let's build. First, we are going to use the schedule node. So, and we want this to run every minute, every 15 minutes. That is, when someone comments on your post, YouTube video, the reply will run automatically in 15 minutes. So what I will do now is that I will execute this schedule node. And my schedule node, I will call it the alarm. So we will add the second node, and here we'll be making a HTTP request for this workflow. So in our HTTP request node, we're going to leave the method as default get, then enter this URL because we are getting comments on our video. So we use this. Then on authentication, leave it on predefined credential type. Then here you select YouTube and make sure you have connected your account. Otherwise, I recommend you sign up with your account. So on this place, toggle on send query parameter, then just name it anything. Here I will say that, and on the value type snippet. And add query again. Here I will name it video ID. Make sure to grab your video ID, the exact video you are trying to get comments, like monitor the comment on, then paste it here. For me, this is mine. Then what I will do now is that I will try to execute this workflow. So our HTTP request has the get method has fetched the YouTube data, and if you look closely, you can see where I commented. This is on my video. I just commented I want the guide. So now we close this. I will rename this I love renaming my workflow, so I will rename this the Scott. So now, since we have fetched we have gotten the comments, it's the right time we post our reply, our automatic reply. So here we still add a HTTP request node, but this time around we are going to post our reply. So because we are posting our reply, we use this URL, which is exactly for comments. So here you use the same authentication. Here you search for your YouTube O2. So here you toggle on the send body and change this to JSON. We are going to use a little bit of code here. So we are going to use a code here. If you're not a code guru, you can simply go to ChatGPT or Gemini to write you your code. So you place in your code. So here I'm just entering the my blueprint. Like if you look closely, you can see the blueprint drive link here. So I just enter it. On your own, you can simply enter whatever you want to send as your reply to the viewer who commented on your video. So here is where we enter the comment ID. So to look for the comment ID, so you look for your comment ID. So this is the comment ID. So all you have to what I'm going to do now is that I will drag this ID. Make sure you drag the ID to this place. It's not well placed, no, you got this wrong. So clean it up. Drag your ID from here to here. Good. Now you can see that you have placed your ID now. What I'm going to do now is that I will execute this workflow. Sorry. It's out a break. It says validation body is not. The problem is on the HTTP node. The value in the JSON body field is not valid. So we are going to look at the JSON field, which is here, and you can see where the error is. So we are going to correct this. So to avoid this, I will simply remove everything, then enter the code once more. Then on this place, I will place the comment ID again. Now let's execute. Good, I've gotten it correct. Let's see. I love renaming my workflow, so I will rename this to the messenger because it delivers the message. So rename it as the messenger. So remember, the goal of this workflow is to make sure we don't lose any lead, and that once a viewer comments on our YouTube video, for instance, this sends a reply depending on how you want to reply. For me, I like sending my blueprint once you comment on my video. Then it automatically sends a reply. Then what this does is that it will then log it in your Google Sheet or your CRM, any one you choose. So the main problem this workflow solves is lost momentum. In real estate, speed is everything. Maybe you as an agent post a property tour video on YouTube. If you are comment, I love this. Can I get pricing? And the floor plan? If you as an agent, or if the agent is out showing houses and doesn't see the comments for hours, the prospect cools off or move to your competitor, for instance, or move to another listing. This workflow catches the exact comments and instantly replies with a link to your property. It logs the prospect in a Google Sheet and send an instant alert to your phone, depending on the setup. But here we're only going to log it in our CRM, which is the Google Sheet. Basically, I use the Google Sheet as my CRM. So you will log it in your CRM. So now we'll add our Google Sheet. And here we use append. Make sure you have connected your Google account. Otherwise, I suggest you create your credential. Then you choose. So on my Google Sheet, remember we already have this comment there. So what I want to do now is to clean this off to avoid a confusion. So come back here and map the name. To map this name correctly, you check for the auto display name, meaning the person that comment on the video. Place it here. On the comments, you come down, you leave this messenger HTTP request, come down to the Scott. That's why I love renaming my workflows. Come down to the Scott, then check for comments. On the comment, you see where it says, the first one says text display. Avoid this, then go for text original. You see it here. Then on the date, you come down. It said published at. Then click. Remember, it's not update at, it is published at. We want to execute the entire workflow to make sure it catches the ahead comments we posted on our YouTube video. Moreover, I shouldn't have deleted the first one, but let's just keep going. So now we execute the entire workflow. So first we will check our CRM to see if it has correct. Look at it. It has been logged in our CRM. The comment says, so here will be the name of the commenter or the person that commented on the video. So now we will check our YouTube to see. What we do now is that we refresh this YouTube. Check the comments. You can see we have, it says, thanks for watching. Here is the link to the guide. So that is it about that. Most YouTube gurus will tell you to engage with your audience, but they don't tell you how much time they actually waste. If you aren't replying to your leads in the first 15 minutes, you are losing them. So the entire workflow that we just built today or we constructed today is to help you respond to every lead or every person that comments to your video and turn them into a lead by logging them directly on your CRM. And whenever you come back, you can trace it and check on the person, check the comments. Maybe the person is serious. You can still see it yourself and close the deal instantly. So I want you to build this workflow this weekend and use it on every of your video and tell me what you think about it. So finally, what we are going to do now is that we of course publish our workflow to place it on autopilot or keep it on autopilot. So we published our workflow. Once you have published your workflow, this is set and forget automation. So you can go and enjoy your day. Once you post the video, anybody that comments on the video, it will automatically send them your guidelines to any of your property or anyhow you set up the messenger. So if this video has done you good, please make sure to subscribe, comment and like, share to your loved ones. As you always know, I will see you on the next build. Peace.